Hello everyone, my name is Manisha and you're watching our YouTube channel Punishka Tutorials. Today, let's learn about some of the basic divisibility rules. Suppose we want to test the divisibility with number 2, okay? So whatever the number is given, we will see the last digit, that means the units place of the number. If the units digit or the units place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, this shows that the number is divisible by 2. Divisibility test by number 3. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 3, this means that the number is divisible by 3. That means the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. The remainder should be 0. Then if the sum of the digits is 0, then only the original number will be divisible by 3. Divisibility test by 4. If the last two digits, that means the units place and the tens place of the number, is divisible by 4, this shows that the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility test by number 5. If the units place of the original number has either 0 or 5, this shows that the number is divisible by 5. Divisibility test by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, this shows that the original number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and not by 3, or if the number is divisible by 3 and not by number 2, in that case the original number cannot be divided by the number 6. Divisibility test by the number 8. If the last three digits of the original number, that means the units place, tens place and the hundreds place, is divisible by 8, this shows that the original number is divisible by 8. Divisibility test by number 9. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, this shows that the original number is divisible by 9. Divisibility test by number 10. If the units place of the original number has 0, that means the units place we have 0. In that case, the number is divisible by 10. Divisibility test by number 11. If the positive difference of the sum of every alternate digits of the number is divisible by 11, this shows that the number is divisible by 11. Let's consider an example and check all these divisibility rules. For example, this is our number. We have to check the divisibility by the number 2 first. As stated earlier, if the number has 2, 4, 6, 8 in the units place or 0 in the units place, in that case the number is divisible by 2. In this number our units place is 2, so it is divisible by the number 2. Divisibility test by number 3, that means the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. When we add all the digits in the original number, we get the sum as 29, which is not divisible by the number 3. So this number is not divisible by the number 3. Divisibility test by 4. As stated earlier, if the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, in that case only the original number will be divisible by 4. In this example, we have 12 in units place and tens place. We have number 12. 12 is divisible by 4, so this original number is divisible by 4. Divisibility test by number 5. As we have seen, if the units place of the original number has either 0 or 5, then only we can divide the number by 5. In this example, the units place has 2. It is not equal to 5 or 0, so this number is not divisible by the number 5. Divisibility test by number 6. Our original number, this number is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by the number 3. So the original number is not divisible by 6. It has to be divisible by both 2 and 3 for the number to be divisible by 6. Divisibility test by number 8. If the last three digits of the number is divisible by 8, then only the original number will be divisible by 8. In our example, the last three digits of the number is 512. This is divisible by 8, so the original number is divisible by 8. Divisibility test by 9. As stated earlier, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then only the original number will be divisible by 9. In our example, the sum of digits is 29, which is not divisible by the number 9. So this original number is not divisible by the number 9. Divisibility test by number 10. As we know that if the units place of a number is 0, then only we can divide the number by 10. In our example, units place is 2, so this original number is not divisible by the number 10. Divisibility test by number 11. To find out the divisibility of number by 11, we will first write the number and then we will add all the alternate digits. Okay, then after adding the alternate digits, first we got the sum as 17 and the other alternative digits sum we got as 12. The difference between the sum of these two numbers, that means 17 minus 12 is 5. This positive difference is not divisible by the number 11, so our original number is not divisible by the number 11. If you have any doubt in this video, you can comment it in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please click on the like button, subscribe it, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you.